Okay, so welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and here I am doing my second cook, and I'm so excited about putting this pizza in. I just wanted to show you the dial. Look at that. Got it to 400 easy, and the thing is, this dial is amazing. I love it so much. It's a game changer for me for this pizza oven. I just love data on stone temperatures, and you've got this thing makes things so much easier, especially if you're a beginner like me. So I just love this oven already because of that one. Well, it's not just that one thing, it's lots of things, but that's one of the things. Now I can't find my peel. Okay, I've been on the hunt for my peel, so I hope I haven't burnt my pizza. No, it's looking all right. You may be wondering why on earth I'm putting fruit on a pizza dough. Well, I have to tell you, if you didn't know already, if you've watched my videos from very early, if you've been watching them from the beginning, I think you'll know that I have a thing for fruit pizza. Fruit topped pizza is my favourite. And it's Wimbledon week, and it's strawberry time. I'm just going to turn it up again. I turned it down because it had got really hot in there, and I thought, oh my goodness, I'm gonna seriously burn everything. But no, this oven is very good with the temperature control. It's very forgiving. I like forgiving ovens. The blueberry just like burst all over the stone, and I may have like a completely stained stone. It just popped. I just love the smell of the custard cooking with the blueberries and the strawberries in here. It's just so nice. Definitely one of my favourite things to cook in an oven. Summertime cooking. Strawberry and blueberry pizza with custard for the summer. try that bit. Oh my gosh. Yum. For the summer. Oh my. Try that bit. You know what you might be thinking if you've never tried this before? Give it a go because it is so yum. I mean, I can't even... It's just too nice for me to... I just love this oven. It is so easy, and my thoughts on pizza ovens are the easier they are to make great pizza, the better. Especially when you're a beginner like me, that dial takes it to another level for me. Yeah, it really does. It just makes things so much more understandable about what's going on inside the oven. So I'm gonna go on and on about that dial because I just love it. But I also love these toppings. And you must try it if you haven't. I would recommend you do because it's so lovely eating this. It's just absolute pure bliss. In the summertime, having something like this as a, you know, you can have all your savoury, but having this as a pudding pizza, it is absolutely delicious. And I'm going to bite into that bit. And actually I haven't finished that bit yet. I'm going to have that bit and then I'm going to have that bit. So yummy and so very, oh my gosh, purple thumb nice, very nice.